It has my heart racing. It has my stomach turning when you're having those close calls with the chicken and egg shop. And my kidneys, they are totally fine. But I have organs on my mind because of today's guest. She is an illustrator and the maker of the snuggly plush body parts, I Heart Guts. Players, please welcome Wendy Bryan Lazar, everybody here with us. Hello, Wendy. Good to see you. Good to see you. Now we have to talk about these snuggly plush organs. Look at this eyeball. Who knew an eyeball could be so cute?
Aww.
I mean, you have so many different organs that you're making. Where did it all get started? Where did you get this idea?
Well, I love to draw. I love to draw weird things. It was just a weird thing that I drew.
Okay.
And I tried to draw them and sell them to a t-shirt company I was doing contract work for. They thought it was too weird. So I struck out on my own and thought, there's a place for these things in the world. So I made different characters and people would write in and say, oh my gosh, my brother has diabetes or my mom's an OBGYN. You gotta make a uterus, you gotta make a pancreas. So I just added characters. And then one day somebody said, my brother gave me his kidney. I would love to give him a plush kidney back. And that's how I got
That's how I got started. I mean, there's nothing wrong with my eye, but I just want to snuggle this and take care of this eyeball right here.
It needed that hug.
It needed that hug, yes indeed. Now, do you think though, with your finesse with illustrating and making cute toys, that you can be good here in Blockbuster?
I don't know, I'm gonna do my best.
Okay, well let's